Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer number of tabs open on your browser while trying to get a simple task done well? That daily digital struggle is about to get a massive upgrade because Google is pushing its AI capabilities directly into Chrome for 7 brand new markets around the globe. We are talking about a major expansion, hitting Australia, Indonesia, Japan, the Philippines, Singapore, South Korea, and Vietnam right now. So if you are sitting in one of those regions, you are getting this powerful new tool on both your computer and your iOS devices, with the exception of Japan, which is keeping it to desktop only for the moment. Now you might be asking yourself why this actually matters for your everyday routine. Well, think about your workflow. Over the past year, Google has been gradually weaving these smart features into the browser through a floating window, but this new sidebar assistant is where things get truly interesting. Imagine you are reading a dense article or planning a trip, and you just need a quick answer without opening a new tab and losing your train of thought. This sidebar lets you ask questions across all your open tabs, acting like a highly efficient virtual assistant sitting right there on your screen. But the feature that really stands out to me is the personal intelligence integration. This allows you to seamlessly connect to your other services like your email and your photo library right from the browser window. You can check your schedule and set up meetings directly in your calendar, verify the exact address of a restaurant using maps, and even draft and send out emails without ever leaving the page you are currently viewing. It is all about keeping your momentum going. And for the creative minds out there, you can even alter and transform images directly on the web using the Nano Banana 2 model right there in the sidebar. This whole initiative started back in January for users based in the US and then expanded to India, Canada, and New Zealand in March. But this latest wave means the tool is becoming a global standard. One crucial detail to keep in mind, however, is that the ultimate futuristic feature, the agentic capability, where the browser actually takes control of your window to complete complex multi-step tasks on your behalf, is still locked in the testing phase and is only available to folks who are paying for the AI Pro and AI Ultra plans in the US. So while we might not have a completely autonomous digital robot navigating the web for us just yet, having this level of integrated intelligence at our fingertips is undeniably shifting how we interact with the internet every single day. It is a clear sign that the future of browsing is not just about searching for information, but having the browser actively help you process and act on that information in real time, making your digital life significantly smoother and a lot less cluttered.